Hello design dreamers! Today, trendy decor that's all the rage. We're turning a kiddo's paradise into a grown-up oasis. Pure magic. Don't miss out, hit subscribe. Personally, I absolutely love creating with resin art, and I'm here to show you how it's done. It's easier than you think. Just a touch of know-how and sprinkle of creativity. And guess what? This transformation won't break the bank. I've got a budget-friendly master plan up to my sleeve. So, who is for design adventure? Join the party and hit that subscribe button because we are about to craft some jaw-dropping awesomeness. So, let's create together. Let's get started.
Okay, we are diving into the epic world of epoxy magic. So, I got these frames from the Dollar Tree store. Budget friendly, like I promised. Now, hold up. Before we go artsy, I gotta seal the deal with the tape. You know, it's a VIP treatment for our frames. No resin leaks on my watch. Also, I've got a secret weapon, alcohol, for decreasing those mirrors. And check out my super stylish work here. Do you like my apron? Gloves are a must unless you're into rainbow colored pants. And I'm outside and I don't need Darth Vader mask. Let's talk tools. Leftover plastic knives from breakfast and these colors, blue emerald, light yellow, blue indigo. They're special for resin art, but watercolor or acrylic could totally join the party. Time for some resin action. 2 parts symphony of resin and hardener. System 50 to 50. Mix it up for 3 minutes and voila. And my silicone cups, easy peasy to clean and eco-friendly. Gotta save the planet, you know. Alright, time to get this pouring party started. Dark blue takes the spotlight first. Then it comes emerald green, giving a sassy pearl. Then light yellow transparent joins the party too, like the cool kitten shade. Now let's talk bubble trouble. So, I whip out my trusty dryer, making those bubbles run for cover. You can even use a regular lighter to chase them away. It works, I promise. And white is joined the show. Stream of white paint, then unleash the hair dry again, and boom! It's like a magic. Creating those artsy stains and dreamy foam effects, talk about a lake day vibe. Then, there my Dollar Tree celebs making a grand entrance on the canvas. And boom, the resin saga is over. Here's the result we've got. Check out these pebbles and bubbles. See that stunning gradient where layers create a mesmerizing depth. And since it's a mirror, it's like a light magnet for frames hanging right across from the window. Gotta get that sunlight dance, you know. Now let's take a peek at the moss. Leftovers from my past projects. Shades like sage, lime and apple. I have a playlist about all these greens you can see. Truth is, it's just ready to use moss you can buy. Time to glue things down. And guess who's got the spotlight? The trusty glue gun. Ready, set, stick. So, 2 ways to glue. You can tap the hot gun to each moss bit, or you can smear on some glue and press the moss down. Option 2 is handy, but beware of those little glue threads. They love sticking to resin. Drop a line, let me know what tickles your fancy. Let's talk options. Option 1, moss directly on the mirror, not resin involved. Option 2. Glue the mirror, then add the moss. Both options scream modern vibes. And guess what? Today I am a moss master using block method. It's like giving our artwork an island of forest in the middle of a serene lake. Super modern trend right now, especially with these honeycomb frames. It's transformation time. Say adios to the kiddo vibe, because we are turning the room into a grown-up zone. Goodbye, teddy bears. Hello, modern awesomeness. Son approval? Check. Now, let's get these babies on the wall. Or just an island party. Evening vibes. And before you go, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's keep the creative vibe alive. Your support my craft, and together we are in the Decor game. But wait, where is the twist option 2? It's like a sequel to a blockbuster. More frames? Maybe? You tell me. Drop your thoughts in the comments. The epic saga continues. I think make an additional 2 or 3 frames. What do you think?